I support that the Greece should exit from Europe.
First point is Greece more complex, cheap exposed and costly imports.
The thing is that if Greece exits from the Euro, what will happen? The first thing will happen will that its banking system will crash, and they will have to close the banks for at least for 8 days. And when the banks will open, the value of their currency will go down to around 50 to 80%. If the value of their currency goes down, then their debt will be multiplied 2-3 times, and they will not be able to pay the debt. So they will become bankrupt. The inflation will go around 30 to 40%. Everything will get evaluated. There may be some unrest, something sort of a civil war. And as the Greeks exports many things from outside, including petroleum, so their import will become very high. They will not be able to sustain oil imports and other imports. So they will face a lot of problems in the first 2 years. But what will happen after 2 years? When they will suffer these problems, they will try to go to their basics. They will improve their agriculture. They will not have industrial base. They will try to build up industry. They will concentrate on tourism and other factors on which the Greece can draw strength. So gradually, as their currency will be cheap, so their exports will be cheap and imports will be higher. The people will start using domestic consumption will increase. People will start using domestic products, and the Greeks product will be competitive in the outside market. But it will happen after 2-3 years. There is no gain without gain.
Sir, I have a point. How can you say it will take only 2 to 3 years? Exits the euro and goes back to drachma. It may take approximately 20 to 30 years. How can it 25 years? See, but how can it take 2 to 3 years?
To what levels? Right now it is minus 6. It is having GDP growth of minus 6.9%. Anything it can go up only. If it converts to drachma, currency to drachma, it will go up only. It cannot go down further.
Okay, now I'm telling you, 25 years in country is 25 years.
For what? I am asking for how much GDP growth rate you are
Please come back.
So it's going to take 25 years for Greece to settle the positive growth aspect. In a time of a crisis in the world, okay, there's no way that you're going to say that okay, let's pull out Greece out of this place and we're going to start over a situation where we're going to help Greece. Now, in a situation where you also have the rest of the European nations that are struggling, who's going to help out Greece in such a situation saying that okay, we're going to bail you out for the next 5 or 6 years, we're going to help you in terms of whatever is going to happen. How is that possible? 2 to 3 years is almost impossible.
Deficit of 1.8% of the GDP, right? Now tell me who is going to pay the bills if Greece exits the euro? Because they are not get loans for cheaper rating. Exactly, because they have bankrupt rate. We are assuming that they will bankrupt. But that's one thing. You are assuming a very short duration, which is not at all possible. 2 to 3 years, very short duration.
2 to 3 years,
What I am saying
is experience.
we have to select lesser of the two.
Explain explain your points by a wide period of say 25 years for a country. So you only know that period. 10 months.
You have to select lesser of the two evils. That is like for sure. The thing is, this Greece will still be a part of European Union. European Union is also integrated in a way. Member countries pay loans to other countries to come out of the recession of IMF. It is at minus 6.9% growth. Even if it takes 8 or 10 years to reach 0% of growth, it is fine. At least it is like first thing it kept it now this thing. Euro is Greece continuing in Eurozone is not possible. First reason is political. I'm telling you. 2 elections are happened, May and June. The trend is that the parties which are supporting the exit are getting selected. They are getting more and more votes. If Greece stays in Euro. Okay, what will happen is political unrest will happen because already unemployment has become very high, 50% in EU, and that is a very big problem. If it exits, if Greece exits from the Euro, there's at least a chance they will be able to inflate away their debt. They'll print more money, they have control over their monetary policy, they'll be able to print more money, that will remain the same. Whatever amount is there, it will remain the same. You are just the value of the currency will go down. You can pay that and at least it will become more competitive in the process. It may take, you are saying it will take 25 years, I know, but in European Union case, it steps in, it will be able to pay off some of the debts earlier than possible. Whatever you are saying.
One other point. I mean, let's say let's view this angle, view this thing from two different angles. Let's say from the European Union point of view. What happens with the European point of view? See, what is right now happening is, if Greece is, European Union have tried to break up Greece. Many times, Greece has already tried out all the austerity measures which essentially should not do because it's more of a tourism-based country. And what happens, even doing all those austerity measures, they were not able to come in terms with whatever this is happening. The crisis is still there, and it is only adding up every time this thing comes up. Another point of view, like what he was mentioning. Let's say what is happening is there are a lot of sovereign bonds which Greece has already got. So, and it is not able to pay it. So if it comes out of it, like what he was mentioning, it will be able to mint its own money. Now it is not able to mint any of its money. So when minting its money, there are problems will arise in terms of inflation and income levels. But that is a problem that is internal to the country, and it will not affect the outside world. And Greece will take its time to come out of it, but essentially it will come out of it at one point after that. So,
okay, I have one simple point to add. We are only thinking about from Greece's perspective, right? Now, suppose Greece exits the Eurozone as per your reasons. Okay, I'll just give you a simple example. There is a country called Cyprus. Like its banks are heavily dependent upon Greece's banks. Now, if Greece exits and goes back into drachma, Cyprus will go into a dark, deep recession. Only a simple example of Cyprus. And apart from that, 17 other countries will be affected.
Basically, why are we looking at this? Greece will exit the Eurozone. There can be a solution which is mid-way solution. In one of the articles I was reading that right now what Eurozone does, they trade in dollars with others, with Asian countries, and their local currency is euro, right? So the same can be replicated in Greece. What is happening right now in Greece is deprived of euro. Nobody is lending them euros. Banks don't have money. When people have money in their account, even when they are going to ATMs, they are denied access to ATMs. They don't get their own money. What they are doing right now is they are dealing with checks. They are writing checks to each other